I did it last year and I just totally fell in love with it.
It's a lot of fun and it's engaging for like all levels.
What's great with Alexis is it's so casual, but it's also so community oriented and it's very one-on-one.
I started off very beginner level, not really knowing anything about plants' names or their uses or anything like that.
Like you can be fully plant savvy and still find lots of opportunity for learning and also sharing, but you can also be a total beginner.
It was pretty evident that once we got going, that no matter what level that we were at, it just worked.
It's got great variety in terms of the contents. We've been out on the land, on foot, also doing utilitarian uses of plants and crafting things with our hands, building relationships with plants, getting coaching on making plants usable for people.
You learned a lot about who you are and what interests you.
I think that if you love plants and you're curious about all the qualities they have, I think that that's a really great opportunity to meet friends and spend time in nature and kind of discover things that you had no idea that were out there.
I don't know how else to say it. Like if you're one of those people who want it or crave it or need it or even like thinking about it for a split second, go for it.
What would you say to somebody who is thinking about doing this program?
I would say do it.